Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Broken PHP array indexing, a deep dive with code examples. PHP's array handling, while flexible, can lead to unexpected behavior, especially when dealing with array indexing. Broken array indexing isn't a formally defined term, but it generally refers to situations where array access results in errors, unexpected values, or unintended modifications due to misunderstandings of how PHP handles array keys and indices. This tutorial will explore common pitfalls and provide solutions. Understanding PHP arrays *. PHP arrays are fundamentally ordered maps. This means they associate keys with values. Keys can be integers. These are the traditional numeric indices, starting at 0. If you don't explicitly define keys, PHP automatically assigns integer keys sequentially. Strings. You can use strings as keys, providing more descriptive access. Pitfalls and broken indexing scenarios. 1. Implicit integer keys and unexpected reindexing. When you add values to an array without specifying keys, PHP uses sequential integer keys starting from 0. However, if you later add a value with a numeric key that disrupts the sequence, PHP reindexes the entire array, potentially leading to unexpected results. Solution. Use explicit string keys when the order doesn't matter, or be very mindful of the sequence when using numeric keys. If you want to append elements, use at the end. This ensures sequential integer keys. 2. Missing keys and ESID versus array _key _exists. Attempting to access a non-existent key results in a notice, in non-strict mode, or an error, in strict mode. ESID and array _key _exists are crucial for safe array access. However, they differ subtly. ESID, $ARR key, checks if a key exists and its value is not null. Array _key _exists, key, $ARR, checks only if the key exists, regardless of its value. 3. Type juggling with numeric keys. PHP's loose typing can lead to unexpected behavior. A string key that can be cast to an integer might be treated as an integer key. Solution. Use consistent key types, all strings or all integers, to avoid ambiguity. 4. Modifying arrays during iteration. Modifying an array while iterating over it, using for each, can lead to unexpected skips or infinite loops. The iteration pointer might not correctly update if elements are added, removed, or their keys are changed during the loop. Solution. Create a copy of the array, iterate over the copy, and modify the original array. Alternatively, use for each with a reference and carefully manage modifications. 5. Undefined offset notices. Accessing an array element using a non-existent key will trigger an undefined offset notice. These are warnings, not fatal errors, but they clutter output and can indicate logical errors. Solution. Always check for key existence using ESID, or array _key _exists, before accessing the element. Use the null coalescing operator for a concise way to provide a default value if a key doesn't exist. Best practices for avoiding broken array indexing. Use descriptive string keys. This enhances code readability and reduces the risk of unintended integer key collisions. Validate key existence. Always use ESID, or array _key _exists, to prevent undefined offset notices. Avoid modifying arrays during iteration. Create a copy or collect keys to be modified and then perform the modifications separately. Choose consistent key types. Stick to either integer keys or string keys within a single array. Asterisk leverage built-in functions. Asterisk PHP provides many array functions, array_push, array_merge, etc., that are safer than manual manipulation. By understanding these common pitfalls and following the best practices outlined above, you can significantly reduce the chances of encountering broken array indexing in your PHP code and write more robust and reliable applications. Remember to always test your code thoroughly to catch potential issues before they become problems in production.